Hello, welcome back. The topic of this video is frequency count method. It is also known as step count method. So, what is the purpose of frequency count method? It is used to calculate time complexity of algorithm. And what is time complexity? The time complexity is amount of time taken by algorithm for its execution is time complexity. So, this method is also known as step count method. So, there are two ways to calculate the time complexity in algorithm. First one is frequency count method or step count method. Second one is asymptotic notation. So in this video we'll go through frequency count method. So these are the various components of program. If you take program, then there are various components. There can be comment, conditional statement, loops. Then there are functions. So first of all, we'll see how much time taken by each of the component, and then in upcoming video I will take certain examples and how much time is required for complete program execution. So in this video we will see how much time taken by each of the components. So comments are part of the program, but at the time of execution it is not executed. So time taken by comments is 0. And then conditional statement. So what is conditional statement? Conditional statements are executed when certain condition is satisfied. So there are mainly two conditional statement, if else and switch case. Now in case of if else is always executed one time, and then else statement is executed 0 or more time. So this is how if else work. Else can be executed 0 or more, 0 or 1, you can say. Then switch case statement. Switch statement is always executed one time, and case statement is executed if previous case statement it does not satisfy the condition. Then there is a for loop. So this is the syntax. For I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to n, I plus plus. So this is always executed n plus 1, means it is starting with 0 and it will go up to, it is less than equal to n. So it will always executed n plus 1 time. Then while is always executed until condition is satisfied, and do while is also executed until condition is satisfied. So this is about loop. And then last part is function. So function are executed whenever you make the call to them. So if you call the function n time, so it always executed n time. So this is how the various components are executed in frequency count method. So I do hope you understand this topic. Now in upcoming video I will take example on frequency count method. So that's it for this video. Thank you.